Hey, my name is Lindsay. We are at Island Passage at number 4 Market Street. I'm the manager of Island Passage in downtown Wilmington. We are really fortunate. We have a few locations around town. So this is our downtown stop. We are so lucky to be here. We love being right here on the Riverwalk and Passage. Basically, we just really love coastal living. So we really try to highlight brands that sort of reflect that and just kind of be like your one-stop shop for anything you need, just for anything casual to even a little bit of occasion wear, and just really help you embrace the coastal lifestyle while still feeling kind of fun and fashionable. Be sure to check us out all summer long. We will probably have some fun sales heading your way, so stay tuned for those, and we can't wait to see you guys downtown.